Yo, what's up, boys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made a 8.3K today trading NQ futures. But before we get into the trade recap, just wanted to show you guys some proof, of course. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I already posted the uh, full analysis, or in other words, the daily recap in my Discord down below. This is going to be more so just a simple explanation on the trade I took today, right? So again, coming into the day, I was actually looking to be pretty bullish. So you guys can see on the higher time frames, not only were we, at least in all-time highs range, you guys can see that we were also on these higher time frames, looking to be, of course, a bit more, uh, uh, had more conviction at least, in bullish price structure. And I don't know why I kind of skipped, but if we go back to market open, which for me is at 6:30, you guys can see even on the 1 hour time frame that we were looking extremely bullish, right? So as we play out these, candles and whatnot, you guys can see that, market opens and we end up creating this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So I ended up taking a 5 minute inverse off this gap, but it wasn't just, any regular inverse. Obviously, I trade my own model, the Chicasso model. And what you guys will find here is that within my confluences, I ended up taking a trade after we inverse this 1 minute gap and had our what's it called, our fake out model play out on the 1 minute time frame, as you guys can see right here. If you don't know how that works, I have the full description on my Discord as well. But honestly, today's trade was pretty simple. I ended up just targeting this right here. I also had an extra take profit right here, but let's see right here. There you go. Actually, no, my bad. I ended up taking this right here. Right. So I had this as my initial take profit. This was more so just, to see how we ended up coming off of this level. And I had my stop loss as I entered the trade right here. So as you guys can see, I entered the trade right around this candle, and we ended up just hitting our take profit shortly after. So yeah, today was actually a pretty solid day, and that's how I made 8 bands today trading NQ futures.